A pleasant day to you, sir and ma'am. My name is Juliana Balangao, 38 years old. I am 154 centimeters high and 65 kilograms. I live in San Julian, Tabuk City, Kalinga. My religion is Roman Catholic. I am married to Kenneth Balangao. We have 3 kids, 2 years old boy, 5 years old boy, and 6 years old girl. My father's name is Andres Bucalen and my mother's name is Nati Bucalen. They are both farmers, but now my mother is stay home to take care of my kids. We have 7 siblings in the family. I have 5 brothers and 1 sister. I am number 6 sibling in the family. I am graduate of Bachelor of Science in Commerce, major in Management. I worked in Hong Kong for 2 years. I served 4 members in the family, 1 couple and 2 kids, newborn baby girl and 3 years old boy. I can cook Chinese food. I can go to market by myself. After my contract, I go back to the Philippines and get married. After that, I stay at home to take care of my kids. This present, I work now in the Philippines as a helper. I take care a 3 years old girl. I finish contract this coming August 24. And I decided again to apply in Hong Kong. I want to work in Hong Kong for my dream and for the future of my family. To my future employer, I promise I will do my best. I finish my contract to you, sir and ma'am. I am hardworking, loyal, kind, and trusted. Thank you and God bless.